What is up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you are new here today, welcome. Be sure to smash that subscribe right now, as well as give this video a thumbs up. Hit me down below with any comments or questions that you may have after this video is finished, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. We have a ton of heat coming out, as you guys have probably seen. We pumped like maybe 3 to 4 videos a day or something insane like that out of each day. So you just don't know with the Shade team. We could be putting out 10 videos a day. I don't know. We're crazy like that. So hit that notification bell because you're not going to know when we have content uploaded to the YouTube space unless you've hit the bell. Also, be sure to check out our membership perks. We've got some amazing tiers and amazing perks for our members, as well as an amazing merch store. So if you want to add some great shade gear to your wardrobe this summer, be sure to head on over to that site after this video is done. And as you've probably been wondering, when is this video coming out? Because we pumped out so much content today. That's right. Here it is, Supreme Lookbook 19. Week 19. Wow, I thought this may have been the last Supreme week, but then I realized we have yet to see that damn lawn chair. Supreme always does that to us. They leave one item lingering, and this time it is the lawn chair, which definitely gives me that inkling that we have another week left. So we are not done here with Supreme. I know you thought we were going to go on Supreme vacay, but not today. At least I think so. Who knows? Supreme has a mind of their own. They could just call it quits this week. But, you know, we'll have to wait till next week to see what happens. But other than that, let's talk about this morning. Another day. It's kind of gloomy. It was pouring earlier. Got my handy dandy Supreme umbrella, but I don't need to use it right now. Picked up some pieces from Supreme. I'm excited to do this video for you guys, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna go get my usual. Try and guess what I'm getting, and chow down. Start filming a couple more videos to get them out tonight. A lot is coming tonight, let me tell you. We are bringing the fire on ShadeTV. The fire. Can't be stopped, won't be stopped. The drop online. I was looking at that lovely Nerf gun. That's right, for all of you who are going for the Nerf gun today, it was US only. So gotta say sorry to those in London, in Japan, and in Milan. You were probably hoping to get this gun, but fortunately you were unable to because it was US exclusive. One of the major disappointments this morning. Thought the gun was gonna be $38. They threw a fast one on us though. I think they may be watching Supreme Community's rankings or drops by J or drops by GG, I don't know, but they threw $10 on top of that. So instead of a $38 gun, we were faced with a $48 gun, which made me think, do I pull the trigger? Of course I did. Literally, I pulled that trigger and I got that pink Nerf gun. So that is gonna be coming here soon. I don't have that color today. But I don't know, maybe I need to get one of my model girlfriends to have a little Nerf war.
Go on.
You guys vote down below. Should I get a model team together? Blue team versus pink team. And do we do it in bathing suits?
Go on.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
You let me know in the description down below. And I'll actually allow you guys to name the teams too. I mean, why not? Let's see who will be victorious, the blue team or the pink team. I have no clue. All right, let's get to it. Let's talk about the items that I picked up in store today. We don't really have sellout times. They're not listed, so we're probably gonna skip that today, sorry. I'm assuming the 2 hottest items were the Nerf gun and the Frisbee, so those probably went the fastest. And then we're gonna conclude with a little bit of resale on the 2 items I picked up. So what should we start with? I think we're gonna start with Frisbee, why not? Frisbee went for a whopping $24. And for those of you who have never played Frisbee before, you are truly missing out. This is a great game, a great athletic game. Childhood memories. I am a true born competitive person. I rarely miss a Frisbee toss, let me tell you. We have this Frisbee with good Lord Jesus praying here for us. Says, my heart found you supreme. And I absolutely love the way that this Frisbee came out. It's got some nice kind of spray paint, splatter mark, paint marks. I don't know what they did with the design, but I'm feeling it. I like it. I'm a fan. It's got that holographic feel to it too, as you can kind of see in the light. It may be coming at your face and this could trip you out and it may hit you. So don't know how I feel necessarily about it in the light, but I do like it right now in person when I'm not throwing it back and forth. Let's see here. Not bad. Let me just play with myself here.
Go on.
Yeah. Not so bad, not so bad. It's pretty lightweight. It's actually heavier than most Frisbees that I've kind of held slightly. But, oh yeah, we fell. That was the first drop ever. Never dropped a Frisbee until now. Jinxed myself. Should have knocked on wood. Anyways, I think I'm going to have to test this one out too. So stay tuned for that video when I'm testing this Frisbee out. See who will beat me in the Frisbee toss game. All right. Last but not least, we're going to jump into this. And that is the Nerf gun. Precision battling. Nerf rival, high impact rounds. We got a lot going on here. We got some, avoid the eyes. Do not aim for the eyes, children out there. There's a huge warning. I think this will actually hurt somebody badly if you hit them in the eye with this. So aim for everything but that. We got the Supreme down below. The Revival Supreme at the top. Supreme is all over this box, actually. It's pretty dope how they've added the logo everywhere. We got pump action, 90 FPS velocity. Damn, that's intense. 8-round capacity, so you know you don't run out too quickly with just 2 or 3 rounds. We got breach load includes 8 rounds, and we got the picture of the gun here. A lot going on. I have to jump into this. We're gonna just start with the top, opening this bad boy up. See what this looks like and feels like in hand. Alright. Ooh. What is all this glue on back here? I don't know what's going on there, but a lot of glue. Ooh, the balls are a lot smaller than I expected. Thought they were gonna be a little bit larger.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
That's cool. That's all right. You gotta be careful with these. You might lose them. Ugh, this is bringing me back to the days of my Nerf war fights. And see how we're gonna take this out here. Oh, I see. These have been kind of like, they like glued the strings on the back. Normally it would be actually taped, but they like straight up glued these down. So we're just gonna snip these down and take this bad boy out, see how the handle feels on it, and it's out. Whew, it's got some weight to it, not gonna lie. I love the coloring of this. This is a fire color. We got Supreme across it, which is the most important part. Lock, unlock on the side here, so just in case, you know, you want to have that safety on. We got the safety on right now, just in case. Let's just see what else we've got to play with here. So here's our little side notch button here. This is our pumping up here. I guess we can like load one. Opening up the balls. This is happening. Oh, why do you have to be taped so hardcore? Okay, almost there, guys. We almost got this. Ah, they're light and squishy, so I don't think these would hurt that bad, but definitely if this went in the eyeball, this could make you blind. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so let's load this bad boy up into the container there. Let me just show you what that looks like in there. So we got one of the balls in. It's Close her up. In it. Locked and loaded, as you can see. What do we aim at? How about this empty water bottle? Okay, let's put the empty water bottle here. And let's aim there. Should I just like, I'm afraid I need to like take a step back. All right. Loading. Okay, I think that is good. Holy shit. Don't do this at home. In small spaces. It could go back into your eye. But I nailed that water bottle. This thing is hasta la vista, baby. Alright, so that's it for all that I copped today in store. Pretty stoked about these summer festivities that I'm gonna get to play with. And Resale is not so bad for the gun. We've got it going for $75, which, you know, it's a little more than over retail because of the exclusivity of it being in the US. And then this, which went for $24, is going around $36 for resale. So there you have it. That's week 19. Thanks so much, everybody, for tuning into another one of my lookbooks. Again, I am going live with Unbreakable on Saturday, so be sure to tune in. We are going to be talking about the white Oreos and some other sneaker news, so excited to be on with him for the first time. If you guys are also interested in my giveaway, that's right, we're going to be actually giving away one of these bad boys. So stay tuned. Be sure that you're following all of my platforms, including my YouTube channel. This is going to be a part of the giveaway with those Yeezy slides. All right. If you're new here today and you just tuned in, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell for all the heat coming out, as well as check out our membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.